Hey guys, welcome back to War on Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Renegade or Jeep Compass with a 2.4 multi-air engine, guys, and you're trying to remove or replace few injectors, stay with us. We'll show you where the injectors are located, what you need to do to replace them, everything from start to finish. Now, if you need to buy a new fuel injector, guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. So please guys, check it out, that's for your convenience. You do not have to remove the engine out of the car to do that. Why we have it out? Because we'll guys have more than 100 videos on that engine alone. We'll be taking it apart completely. We'll show you how to fix almost anything on it. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let us show you now, guys, okay, what you need to do in order to replace the fuel injectors. So when you open the hood of your vehicle, okay, that's what's going to look like. Okay, you will face the engine that way. The only thing that you're going to have now, okay, that you have to remove first is the engine cover, guys. That engine cover, you pull it straight out. You have 4 rubber bushings, 2, 3, 4, guys. Those rubber bushings attach right here. 1, 2, you have 3 and 4. Right here you're going to have your air filter box. So you have to remove that hose, guys, from the air filter box. So there is one clamp that you need to get loose and you can pull it out. After that, right here you're going to have a clip, plastic clip. It will look like this one here, okay, but you can see that's broken. And pry it out with the clip removal tool. We have, guys, the tools that we use in the description of the video below. 10mm socket, and we're going to remove one bolt now. This bolt holds the intake in place right here. Now we have one sensor here, that's the intake temperature sensor. Press down, pull it out like that. After that, okay, what do we have next? Next, guys, okay, we need to get the hose clamp for the throttle body loose. Okay, right there. Once you get it loose, you can pull it out like that. What needs to be done after that? On the back side of the engine, guys, you have right here, okay, this is your fuel line, this is fuel line, this is your purge valve line, guys. So we'll need to disconnect the fuel line, but first let me explain before we continue. This is a very dangerous job. Why? Because the fuel line, guys, it's under enormous amount of pressure. You're going to spill gas if the engine is hot, or you have an open flame, spark, you will catch on fire. It can get in your eyes, it will spray under pressure, so always wear eye protection as well. Have a fire extinguisher on the place, and I wouldn't recommend to do it unless you know what you're doing. Otherwise, guys, it's dangerous, and that's why consider this entertaining video and not a how-to video. This, okay, blue thing right there, we need to pull it up a little bit like that. We're going to turn the fuel line just a little bit, or you can grab it with your finger, but I'll turn it to show you. Press down. Now you might need to push the line all the way in, press down on the white thing and gently start pulling it out. Okay, it will leak fuel out. Why we don't have fuel? Because ours are cut. So we don't have that. Now, the purge valve line, you have 2 green things, one on each side, squish those in. Okay, and pull it out like that. After that, that foam piece, you can go ahead and remove it. Okay, perfect. Now, guys, what else we need to do? Right here, this is your fuel rail, this is your purge valve. So you will need to disconnect the purge valve. Okay, now that, okay, let me focus quick here because I got out of focus. That white thing, push it back. Now we need to press really hard on the back side of it and pull the wire out. Grab that purge valve and pull it out. You can leave it on the side. After that, guys, we need to disconnect, okay, we need to disconnect the fuel injectors one by one. So that red thing, okay, needs to come up, then you press down here, pull it out. Same to the next one. This is the safety lock. Press down, pull it out. And we do the same for all 4 fuel injectors. Perfect. After that, guys, we're going to have 2 bolts with Torx socket, Torx 30, one here, one over there. So we'll need to remove those, and after that we should be ready to go. So we're going to check it out in a second and see if that takes care of the problem. This is the two set. Right here you can see what they look like. And when you remove your fuel line, guys, okay, when you remove your fuel line, what will happen actually, you will have quite a bit of fuel in your fuel rail here, so fuel will leak out. Be prepared to collect it in a gas can. Second one, perfect. Now those fuel injectors, they have O-rings that they go in the intake manifold, so they'll be a little bit stuck. Pry them just a little bit up, left or right. Okay, eventually they'll come out. You will have fuel in that fuel rail right here, so I'll recommend to empty it. We already did that, so we don't have any, but otherwise you have to just put it sideways over a fuel can and try to get it out. How you guys remove a fuel injector now? Okay, fuel injector is pretty easy. Okay, you can see you have that clamp that you need to go ahead and spread on both sides. Okay, and pull it out. Now you grab the injector, just pull it out. You can go a little bit left and right if you need to. You have an O-ring. Okay, we still spread some fuel. And this is, guys, the fuel injector. When you're ready to install everything, you will need to lubricate with a little bit, guys. Okay, let me focus quick. With a little bit of oil, that O-ring here and the one over there, so everything can slide super easy. But putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.